how to prevent websites from seeing your browsing history for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Now in Samsung Internet, you want to tap on the menu button, then tap on Settings. In the Internet settings, we go down and then tap on Privacy Dashboard. Next, tap on Smart Anti-Tracking. In here, choose Always. And here, when you select Always, the browser can help prevent websites from seeing your browsing history. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.